Hello again, this is Robert Veach here. This is my video review of the CASMAN brand. They're 2 feet long XT60 extension cable. It's got tinned copper wire, it's 10 gauge, and it's a male to female, as you can see right there. It's got a 2-year warranty from the manufacturer, excellent customer ratings, current up to 60 amps I mentioned, heavy duty UL 2468 certified tin copper wire, rated up to 300 volts. Now, XT60 connector is ready for 60 amps, so that's what's on here. The cable is supporting that with that really high gauge or 10 gauge thick wire. You can see right here how long it is, and that wire is definitely thick, and you see the 2 XT60s right on there. We're going to be doing some testing here on this. It does come with a simple little manual showing you a little information about it and specs, and where you would normally connect this up with, and warranty information about the product. So we're going to be doing some experiments. I've got some lithium polymer batteries, you can see right there, power supplies, and a bunch of adapter connectors and some solar panels, and a load box right here. We're going to load it down and see how well the cable does. So here's a 2200 milliamp hour 35C battery. I use these other connectors, so I have a converter in there that converts it to XT60, and now I should get that voltage on the output right here, and I can measure it. I also have this heavy duty cable I'm going to plug in there, and we're going to load it down and do some tests on the cable. So here we've got it connected, and I have a digital voltmeter, and that's the output of that battery unloaded right out of the cable. Now I have a really high power, it's like 1.25 ohms, so you can see that's going to draw a large amount of current in there, like over 16, 17 amps. Let's see how the voltage does. Here I'm connecting up that extremely low load on there. It's going to get hot, and you can see that it dropped down only 15 volts, and it's dropping down because the battery is being discharged. There's minimal resistance on this cable, and that's what you want. So you're able to drive something like a servo, a robot, a solar panel, be able to drive it quite easily with this cable because it has a really low resistance. This is now getting very hot because it's drawing the energy from that battery and putting it right through that resistive box. So this cable works current-wise. It handles it quite easily. There is no temperature variation on this cable. All the temperature is on this resistive box. So that tells you that this is a very low resistance, and it's letting that energy go right through that cable, which is exactly what you want. I want to talk a little bit about the construction of this. This is a really high quality cable. It's rigid because it is producing a large amount of current flow, and there's no heat shrink on here. It's one solid piece of plastic which is molded right into there with strain relief on both sides. And this is a really nice block here. Very easy to put on your connectors with this because you have this knurled section right there for strength and ease of putting it on, which is excellent. Now there's many applications for this cable. Anywhere you have an XT60, you're going to be able to plug this in and send your voltage through it, and because it has opposite polarities, you can come up with a configuration that'll work. You have solar panels, and you have something like this which requires energy to go into it, and you're going to need to have an adapter because you're going to have to convert this to whatever's on your particular power box, you know, right here, and then whatever's on the output of your solar panel, you're going to convert to one side of this XT60. After you do that, you'll be able to send the energy from your solar panel right into your battery system right here, your inverter, however you want to call it, where you can get your AC and your other DC output on the unit itself. But you have to come up with that adapter, make it yourself, or order it on Amazon. It's up to whatever unit you have and what your solar panel has on its output. But rest assured, whatever you do, this is going to send the current from your solar panel quite easily into your power system, to your battery backup, whatever you want to call this, your inverter. It's going to be able to send energy right into it quite efficiently, as I just demonstrated. So after testing, what do I think about the CASMAN brand? Their 2-foot XT60 extension cable with the tin copper wires, and this is 10 gauge, which is really impressive for current, be able to send current through it. This is a male to female. I love this product. It's very well constructed. As I demonstrated, current goes through it quite easily. Everything is solid on this thing, the construction of it, the connections. Excellent product. I'm going to give it a full 5-star rating. I hope this video review helped you with your buying decision. Thank you for watching.